Welcome, my dear student, in the e-learning classes of St. Michael's Academy. Now we are almost in the concluding portion of the chapter electricity. Two more topics are remaining because you are already knowing that electric generator and electric motor. These two topic has been removed. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the derivation of the formula ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी. इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी के फार्मूला को हम लोग कैसे डिराइव करते हैं वो हम लोग सीखेंगे. अगर हम लोग बात करें एनर्जी की, क्लास 9 में आप पढ़ चुके होंगे. व्हाट डज दिस टर्म्स एनर्जी स्टैंड फॉर? कैपेसिटी टू डू वर्क इज टर्म्स एज एनर्जी. सो एज व्हेन वी एक्सप्लेन दिस term that electric energy, the electric energy means capacity of an electric appliances to convert it in the required work. Take the example of your electric fan or geyser or AC. What amount of work has been transferred when we supply electric energy in that one, that is termed as electric energy. इसकी डेरिवेशन की बात करें बच्चों, तो इस टॉपिक को पढ़ाने जब मैंने शुरू किया था, मैंने हैव स्टार्टेड दिस टॉपिक इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी, द वेरी फर्स्ट टर्म आई हैव एक्सप्लेन दैट इज द पोटेंशियल. पोटेंशियल अगर आप उसको रिकॉल करें, दैट द अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क डन इन ब्रिंगिंग वन यूनिट ऑफ पॉजिटिव चार्ज फ्रॉम इंफिनिटी टू अ पॉइंट इज नोन एज और इज टर्म्ड एज पोटेंशियल एट दैट पॉइंट. तो उसका एक्सप्रेशन हमने क्या लिखा था कि P is equal to W upon Q. That amount of work done in bringing unit positive charge from infinity to a point is known as potential. This W stands for work done. और in class 9 we have studied that work done is equal to energy possesses. That amount of work done by a body is equal to amount of energy possesses in it. So this formula we can write this formula in this term. P is equal to E upon Q, where E stands for energy. अगर आप E को डिराइव करें तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन दैट इज इक्वल टू P into E. दिस इज द इक्वेशन नंबर 1. नाउ आफ्टर पोटेंशियल एंड पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इन दिस चैप्टर वाज इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. What is the definition of electric current? Rate of flow of charge. Rate of flow of charge through a conductor or through a cross section of conductor. That is known as electric current, and electric current is caused by flow of free electron. So when we discuss the formula, that electric current is denoted by I is equal to Q upon T. Whenever you have to find the rate of anything, always you divide that term by rate. Class 9 में आपने पढ़ा होगा वेलोसिटी का डेफिनेशन, द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट. तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट को हमने टाइम से डिवाइड किया तो वेलोसिटी मिल गया. स्पीड, द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ डिस्टेंस, द डिस्टेंस डिवाइडेड बाय टाइम इज इक्वल टू रेट. एक्सेलरेशन, द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ वेलोसिटी मींस जो वेलोसिटी का डिफरेंसेस होगा उसको कैसे डिफाइन, a इज इक्वल टू v माइनस u अपॉन t. तो सब में आप देख रहे हैं क्या बच्चों, जहां भी रेट हम निकालते हैं always you divide that term by time. So rate of change of flow of charge is known as electric current. From here we find the value of Q. Q is equal to I into T. Do the cross multiplication, equation number 2. Now we replace the value of Q in equation number 1. Replace Q in equation number 1. So here we can write here equation 1 is equal to E is equal to P into Q. अब Q is equal to IT. So E is equal to Q को रिप्लेस करेंगे तो क्या निकलेगा हमारा सॉरी यहाँ पर मैं एक चीज बता जाऊँ, पोटेंशियल को हम किससे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? V से। पोटेंशियल को हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं V से, दैट इज इक्वल टू V into Q, and Q is equal to I T, E is equal to V into I into T. This is the first formula for electric energy. E is equal to V I T. Now think of certain devices which we are using at home which convert the electric energy into heat energy. जैसे आपका गीजर हो गया, हीटर हो गया, इमर्सन रॉड हो गया. In these devices, the electric energy is converted into heat energy. So we will use here H stand for heat energy. Means for the devices which convert electric energy into heat energy. So H is equal to VIT. This is the formula when we have to use to solve any numericals, when you have to find out the heat energy used by certain devices. Now again one more formula we can derive, that from Ohm's law, we have studied that V is equal to IR. Now replace this formula in equation number 2. Replace V in equation 2. H is equal to VIT. In the place of V, we will use IR. So H is equal to IR into IT. So H is equal to I square RT. This is the final formula for the electric energy for certain devices which convert the electric energy into heat energy. Because students, you will use this formula, and also this question has come for 3 marks, that what is electric energy and derive the formula of electric energy has come many times in the board examination. Maybe this time also it will come for your board examination or the center or in your in December we are planning to take your offline examination. So maybe this question will come. So my dear students, please practice this one. It's a very important question. Note it down. And the next video I will try to take a revision of electricity charge. Till then, all the best. God bless you.